Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the tutorial of all China buy. So for that you have to go to the website all China buy by using your browser. Okay, so after going there, after or entering into the website, you will see a lot of option. And first option you are gonna see the shipping calculator. So let's go there, and here you can like get the estimate cost of the shipping charges which is needed to ship from China to any parts of the world. Also the rate will be show here, so here you can easily choose or can get an estimate weight or the price of the shipping cost which is required for the product. So for the next, now I'm going to show you how you can buy or search product in all China buy. So you can see, enter the product name or slash link. So you can, I am going to write phone cover, and then I'm gonna search. Okay. So after searching it, you can see a lot of result has appeared in front of my screen. So you can choose your desired product from here, which product you want. I'm gonna choose that one. Okay, I have chosen a product of iPhone 10 or 10x. Okay, so there is a reminder for me. Just read it and accept it. Okay, so the price for it is 3.90, and you can see the order between, you have the lot, there are all the details are given here. Also you can choose the quantity. Also there you can see on the top there are the model number which you are gonna choose. Then the quantity I'm going to give, or I'm going to buy 100 pieces of that. Press buy. Okay, now choose the destination where you wanna send the product. So I'm going to choose USA. Okay, so on the bottom you can see section standard inspection, so you can give it tick mark, so the it will be inspected by the all China by company. Also you can give them some of the recommendation what you want or how they can check. After that you can confirm it, and then tick mark on I have read and agreed the disclaimer from, and press submit. After that you can pay it by your Visa card or any card which are accepted in China, and then you have to uh, choose your international courier partner so you can get the product couriered internationally. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.